There's a bug in your body. Not a virus, not a disease, not even your fault. A design flaw installed 10,000 years ago, never patched. Your brain is still searching for a tribe of 30 people. Your nervous system is still waiting for silence to arrive. Your insulin system just saw your third coffee with syrup and filed a formal complaint. I'm Chip, Chief of Internal Operations, self-appointed, and today I'm reading you the Mismatch Report. 5 ancient systems, 0 software updates. All of them extremely confused. Let's go. Number 5, the tribe that went missing. Your social connectivity system. Its entire job? Make sure you're connected to your group. Because 10,000 years ago, alone meant dead. Simple as that. Your brain was not built for 7 billion people. It was built for 30 to 50. Same faces, same voices, every day. You woke up together, ate together, fixed problems together. If something went wrong, you didn't text someone. You felt them next to you. Now look at your life. Hundreds of contacts, thousands of followers, 4 people you actually talk to, 0 tribe. This system is still running its original code. Alone equals danger, activate anxiety, trigger overthinking, issue low-level dread on a loop. That weird hollow feeling that something is off, even when everything looks fine. That's this department, fully operational, working exactly as designed. Studies show hunter-gatherer groups had almost no depression. Modern cities, it's everywhere. Nothing broke. You just removed the environment this system was built for. You replaced a tribe of 30 people who knew your name with 3,000 strangers who double-tapped your photo. Number 4, the department that never gets to go home. Let me introduce you to Gus. Gus runs threat detection. His whole job? Scan the environment, find the danger, and, when it's safe, stand down. Stand down is Gus's favorite part. Gus has not done it in years. 10,000 years ago, the world had 2 modes. Noise, something's happening. Silence, it's over, you're safe. Gus was designed around that rhythm. Now, there is no silence. Traffic, notifications, background TV, your chill playlist, ads before the ad. Even your rest has a soundtrack. Gus has been waiting for the silent signal since 2011. It hasn't come, so he stays on, just slightly, constantly. Low-level stress, tight shoulders, short fuse, brain that can't fully switch off. You think you're tired. Gus thinks he's been in the jungle for 14 years, waiting for an attack that never happens. The stress doesn't leave, it just sits there, quietly ruining your evenings. Gus has submitted 19 stand-down requests, 0 approved. Gus says he's fine. Gus is not fine. Number 3, the movement you removed. I pulled your movement logs. You did 40 minutes at the gym this morning. Then you sat for 9 hours. Then you exercised your thumb for 2 hours. Then you went to bed. Here's something nobody tells you. Your body was never designed to work out. It was designed to move all day. Walking, carrying, squatting, climbing. Not in a scheduled window, not in a dedicated room, just constantly, gradually, as part of being alive. Hunter-gatherers didn't exercise. They just lived. And living required around 15 to 20 hours of movement a week. Then they rested. Actually rested. Not half watching something while scrolling. You've flipped the pattern. 40 minutes of movement, then 9 hours of statue. Tight hips, weak back, low energy at 2 p.m. every day. Not laziness, your body building around the shapes you hold most often. You gave it stillness. It became excellent at stillness. 10 out of 10 commitment to a 0 out of 10 plan. Number 2, the craving that was never meant for this nature calibration. This system's job, keep your visual and nervous system regulated using the environment you evolved in. The environment you evolved in was outside. Trees, water, horizon, sky doing things. When you step into actual nature, something measurable happens. Heart rate drops, cortisol falls, breathing slows. Within minutes, no app, no subscription, your body recognizes it. Like pulling up to a home it forgot it had. Now compare that to your average workday. Walls, screens, recycled air, fluorescent lights pretending to be the sun, gray carpet. Your brain doesn't hate it, it just doesn't understand it. So it stays slightly uncomfortable, slightly strained, all day. Like a houseplant in a server room. Technically alive, not exactly thriving. Yesterday's environment log. Outdoors, 9 minutes. Mostly the car park. Trees visible? 0. Nature Calibration has requested 1 tree. You have 14 plants on your phone wallpaper. This department has noted this is not the same thing. Number 1. The sugar emergency that never ends. This is the one your pancreas wanted me to read out personally. Your body has a sugar system. Elegant, honestly. You eat something sweet, ripe fruit, a bit of honey, whatever you found. Your insulin spikes. Deals with it, drops back down, done. Maybe happens twice a week. Lovely little system. That's what it was built for. Now, you've had 3 things with added sugar before 10 a.m. Your blood sugar has spiked and crashed twice already. And your insulin system, designed as an occasional emergency service, is currently running as a full-time, round-the-clock, never-off operation. That system used to work 9 to 5. Seasonal. Very chill. Now it's on a 24-hour rotating shift with no days off, fielding calls from your bloodstream every 40 minutes. It is exhausted. It doesn't complain because it's a professional system, but if it could talk, it would look you dead in the eyes and say, the caramel latte was not in the original contract. When the spike doesn't come, you feel flat, foggy, slow. Not because you need more sugar, because your baseline got recalibrated around it. Same mechanism as your phone's dopamine loop. Different department, same outcome. Here's the truth nobody in a wellness app will say out loud. Your body is not broken. Your environment is. You are ancient hardware running in a world it was never designed for. And your body is doing everything it can, every day, to survive it. Quick Mismatch Report summary. While you were living your completely normal modern life, your body was social connectivity scanning for 30 people who no longer exist. Gus waiting for a silence that never arrives. Your muscles adapting to 9 hours of sitting like an absolute champion. Nature calibration logging trees. 0. Insulin dispatch running for the 14th time before lunch. The fix is embarrassingly boring and completely free. Walk somewhere. Go outside without your phone for 10 minutes. Talk to a real person, in person, about something that doesn't matter. Sit in silence once. And maybe, just maybe, let the insulin system have a day off. And Gus, the silence signal is coming. You can step away from the radar, just not yet. That's the 10,000-year-old patch. Your ancient body will recognize it immediately because it's been waiting for it this whole time. Will you do it? Maybe. But you made it to the end of this video, which means your attention span isn't gone yet. Don't waste it. I'm Chip, Chief of Internal Operations, self-appointed, still running a 10,000-year-old system, doing my best. Subscribe before your body files another complaint.